Alright, so here we have engine stand. We're going to try and find a way to get that to hold the fucking engines up. We've got our two rotors from that engine. We've got miscellaneous parts from both, water pump, all that other shit. Various seals, eccentric shaft, all kinds of different parts. More parts over here. And this is what I do today. Once we get that pucker off, then we can finish tearing that apart. Once we get that off, it's all boom, 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 stacked up. Real easy to get apart from that point. So I just figured I'd show you all the shit we've got going on. That's all from two engines, which might not seem like a whole lot to you V8 guys, but I mean, that's a rotary engine. That's a size 11 shoe, I think. So you can see, they're not very big. So we've got two engines. Cool. For the flywheel bolt. Big fucking bolt. Yep.